Your website has broken links right now. You just don't know it yet. The code just ran. This is the terminal code, and this is what you are going to have by the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch. This is Soft Ramming. I build real tools from scratch. Subscribe if that's your thing. Websites change all the time. Pages get deleted, links break. Most site owners never notice. All right, let's get started. So the first thing, click on the GitHub link in the description below. So after doing that now, the next step is we are trying to get this repository so we can have its content. We have two options. You can either decide to clone this URL or download it as zip. So I've done my own, I've downloaded mine as zip. So right here now, we navigate to the downloads directory. And after doing that, you also navigate to the dead link finder's main repository. So let me clear my terminal, then head back to my GitHub. So right now in GitHub, under the README section, let's learn what to do. So the first thing is that we have requirement. You must have Python 3.7 plus installed, requests, and also Beautiful Soup 4. So there are two installations. If you're using Kali like myself, just go straight to this. So let me copy, let me paste. To paste, Shift Insert. I had already installed mine already. So let's clear. All right. So now how to use it. So let's copy this one. We want to use it by generating HTML report. Shift Insert. All right, here, let me call it my underscore report. Okay, that's okay. So HTTP 127.0.0.1 / So I have a directory called merchants. Let me run it so it will crawl all the possible URL from this place. All right, it crawled about 7 links. It found 7 links and it's checking their status currently. So 4 links are okay and 3 links are dead. So now let's head to, okay, let me list. So we can now see that a new file has been generated called my_report.html. So let me head over to VS Code and preview this live. I right click, then open with live server. All right, now, so you can see it. There are about 7 total links. 4 is working, 3 are broken, and just a basic analytics as health score. So these are there are 3 broken links and there are 4 working links. I can also decide to download this as CSV. So that's all. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. I will attend to every one of them. Thank you.